everyone, it's Maria at Astro Metalcraft, and I'm in the shop today with Cole. Cole, when I think of a punch machine, I think of Mike Tyson. Can our punch machine punch harder than him?
Absolutely. We punch through all types of materials: stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and brass.
Awesome, and what type of patterns can our machine do?
Pretty much anything you want. We order custom pattern tools, anything from round, square, triangles, basically any shape you can think of as long as it can fit on the die.
So how does this even work? Is it just punching one hole at a time?
So yeah, a lot of people think you can only punch one hole at a time with a machine like this. But if you have a cluster tool and you can get a pattern that matches the part that you want to have, we can punch up to 4 at a time and really increase the efficiency of the product.
What's the general speed of operation and normal cycle time?
Well, it really depends on the type of job we're doing. It can be anywhere from 30 seconds to 3 hours. How many features we're punching, how quickly the machine can punch, and how safely we can operate it at 100% capacity.
What type of thicknesses can our machine do?
Well, it really depends. We can do anything from paper thin all the way up to, I'd say, safely 1/4 inch thick. So a lot of people don't know this about the punch, but you can actually do forming as well. So after you've punched a through hole, you can take a tool like this with a spring-loaded die, and you can form grip struts into this panel that we just made.
Thanks for showing us how the punch works.
Absolutely.
If you're interested in learning more about our shop capabilities, visit our website at astrometalcraft.com.